Hi guys, do you guys have leftover ham bone? Let's turn that into delicious ham and leek soup. Okay, let's start with a leek. We are going to need only the white part, about 4 inches from the root. Slice the leek and give a rough chop. That looks great. Now, let's melt some butter in a heavy-bottomed pot like a Dutch oven. The butter is all ready to go. Now let's pour our leeks into the pot and stir around. Keep your heat around mid to low high. Let's dice half of a large onion and put it into the pot. Stir around so all the veggies get mixed well. While the veggies are getting sauteed, let's mince 2 cloves of garlic. Add to the pot. Season it with half teaspoon of kosher salt and about a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Saute the veggies about 8 to 10 minutes at low heat. Now add 12 cups of water and ham bone. Bring it to a soft boil, then simmer it for 2 hours at low heat. Let's use the leftover leeks. About 4 inches of the green part of the leek. Slice it and give it a rough chop. And dice 2 medium-sized gold potatoes. 2 hours later, you'll see about a third stalk is gone. Take the bone out and set aside. Add the potatoes and leeks to the stock. And also add 2 cups of heavy cream, about 16 ounces. Pull meat out of the bone and add them to the pot. Grate half cup of parmigiano reggiano and add to the pot. And we also need 8 ounces of shredded cheddar. Add to the stock. Okay, now let's add some herbs. 1/4 teaspoon marjoram, 1/4 teaspoon basil, 1/4 teaspoon dried parsley. Simmer the soup for another half an hour to an hour. And the soup is done. It's creamy, cheesy, lots of herbs, so good. The soup is the perfect way to use leftover ham bone from holiday meal. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video.